Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix ChatGPT fail to get your settings. If you're using any iPhone or Android, or if you're having the pop-up notification, something like that ChatGPT is failed to get your settings or load conversation or fail to play messages. So let's see how can you fix that issue. So you must have to, the first thing how you have to try, you have to open your app store or Play Store and here simply search for ChatGPT. Once you have searched, you have to make sure there is not any update available for your ChatGPT application. If there's any update available, so you must have to download and install that update or update your app. Once your app has been successfully updated, you have to reopen your ChatGPT application and here you have to make sure that you have signed in with your Google account, or if you're still having the same issue, so what you have to do, you have to simply restart your phone, so to make a forced restart. And after that, if you're still having the same issue, you have to reinstall the application. So you have to simply keep a long press on your chat gpt application, then select remove application and here select delete app. Once you have selected, the chat gpt will be successfully removed from your phone, and then you have to open your app store and then install ChatGPT again from here. So in this way, you can easily fix ChatGPT fail to get your settings or any other issue if you're having in your ChatGPT. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.